This is something I just found earlier this evening. My video about the military survival fishing kit went live. This one. And I decided to look in my tackle box and pick out some stuff for a better survival fishing kit. And laying right on top as soon as I opened it was this. And I don't remember where it came from, if it was given to me, or if I rescued it from the trash somewhere, or if maybe I gave 25 cents for it or something at a yard sale or flea market. Anyway, it just showed up and it was laying right on top. And you can see it came from Kmart. But I know I didn't buy it at Kmart. I haven't even been in a Kmart in years. But South Bend for Kids, Danny Dinosaur 30-piece fishing fun pack. Now if you look at it, it's got, there's a jig, there's another jig, there's some snap swivels, there's a spinner, there's a spoon, and some split shot sinkers. Now if you look at the other side of the spoon, you can see it's painted. Okay, there's another spinner, there's a little small bobber, and there's a flip tail spinner, and in the partition with the bobber are some very small hooks, and those are the kind of hooks I like to fish for small brim with. And so looking at that, that's a great little survival fishing kit. All it needs is some line added to it, and taken out of this packaging, which by the way is yellowed with age. But take it out of the packaging and put it in something smaller. And I was talking about earlier about one of these little flip-top Altoids tins. I don't think everything from there will fit in this, but just thought I'd mention that. But that can definitely go in something, along with some monofilament fishing line, and go in my tank bag. It's quite a find.